Alright, so what we're going to do today is start welding up these holes and put in some filler just so it has a little bit smoother transition. And we'll probably work along up the side here for a bit. Alright, so we got the top of it bondoed, except the heater's kind of doing some funky stuff. So that'll probably be it for today's. Welded up some holes, did some bondo, some stuff like that. Put a patch, welded a patch on the inside of those, so that's kind of why they look funky. You need a couple layers there, but it'll be just enough just to blend it into the top, eh? Give it like a recess for it to sit. There'll be a lot of sanding here, and then once I knock all this down, I'll bring in fine filler to get these pits all out, so then we'll go from there. I haven't quite figured out what I'm going to do with the back yet, but the strip and everything here, maybe just fiberglass it so it sits tight against it and then kind of bury it, hide it. But yeah, it's not that bad. It'll look a little bit better without that edge sticking up so much. So just trying to hide it little by little. Yeah, see, you can see that edge all the way along here. It's better when it disappears. So. Right on. Yeah, it's starting to look pretty good. So hopefully next weekend it'll be a little bit warmer and I can do a really good video for you guys, but yeah, I don't think there'll be much going on tonight with it, so might as well call her a day. Got some filler on it anyways, and got the little electric heater plugged in here, so that'll be able to dry okay and everything. So gonna be a lot of sanding. I'm gonna have to bondo that all the way down to this strip here. So there's a whole bunch of pits and stuff in there I want to kind of fill out. So this is just layer one of many, so we'll get her all smooth. All right guys, stay tuned. Ba-da-ba